Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Muhayyo and today we will talk about how to study abroad for free. In this video I will tell you about 5 the most important steps that you have to consider while looking for a scholarship and applying for it. I was very lucky to get scholarship for my bachelor, master and PhD degrees, and now I'm doing my PhD at Corvinus University with the help of Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship. All my scholarships were fully funded, so I didn't pay anything to study abroad, and I was studying in France, Turkey, Russia, Hungary, and I also got scholarship from Brunei. The first step that you have to consider is the country, university and program you want to apply for. If you know it, that's great because you will save a lot of time while looking for a scholarship and making a list for yourself. But if you don't know, please consider that you will spend some time finding the suitable scholarship for you and this scholarship that will meet your requirements. The second step is where can you find the scholarship and how can you find the scholarship. There are 2 channels you have to take into account while looking for a scholarship. First of all, it's special websites that post scholarships around the world on daily basis. I will share with you some of the most famous websites that I'm using and other of my friends using to find scholarship. And the second channel is LinkedIn. I have subscribed to a lot of community and groups which also post scholarship almost every day. So I will share with you with these communities also, and you can monitor this scholarship. Third step that you have to take into account is application deadline. You have to know that usually application package should be prepared 1 year before the actual study that starts. For example, if you want to study in September 2024-2025 at a university with a scholarship, then you have prepared your application in 1 year before it will be October. It's very important to know the deadline of each scholarship because usually the scholarship application are not accepted after the deadline. The first step is about application package. Application package can include different documents depending on the program country you are applying for, but in majority of cases you have to upload your CV, your motivation letter, your research proposal if you are applying for master or PhD, and additionally your identification card. Sometimes some of the programs can ask for recommendation letter. I will talk about all these parts separately in my next videos, so stay tuned. The most important part in application package is motivation letter. You have to remember that motivation letter is your key to interview. So talking about the interview, this is the 5th step that you have to know about applying for a scholarship. Some of the programs will have an interview with you, and this interview will be from 15 to 30 minutes. Of course, what kind of questions you will be asked in the interview depends on the program and the country you are applying for. I'm planning to make a new video about how to pass successfully interview for a scholarship in my next videos. Yes, and here you are. After all these steps, you will get the offer, and congratulations. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please share your experience in the comments below about getting scholarship, looking for it, accepting, being accepted for the scholarship. It's very important for me to have your feedback. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.